Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to learn and understand question answer from the page number 142. First question is, you find your mass to be 42 kg on a weighing machine. Is your mass more or less than 42 kg? So when we are standing on a weighing scale, our weight is due to the gravitational force and the body quantity, that is mass. So weight is a product of mass and gravitational force which is acting towards downward. But the air also has some of the upthrust force. So it is pushing us upward. So how much ever upthrust force is there, that much this weighing scale will show a less weight because the air is pushing us upward, whereas gravitational pull is pulling us downward. So how much ever the upthrust force will be there, that much weighing scale will show less because of the upthrust force of air. So when we stand on weighing scale, our weight acts downward due to gravitational force, but air's upthrust force will act towards upward. So due to this upthrust force, scale will show some less weight than that of the true weight. So if there is a 42 kg weight, then this weighing scale is showing the less weight. Our second question is, you have a bag of cotton and an iron bar, each indicating mass of 100 kg. So iron and cotton both are having the same mass, that is 100 kg. When measured on a weighing machine, in reality one is heavier than the other. Can you say which one is heavier and why? So here two things we have to understand, that upthrust force and the gravitational pull. Gravitational pull and weight is acting towards downward, whereas the air's upthrust force direction will be upward and it is pushing the object towards upward. Now whose volume is more, the upthrust force applicable on that will be more, and whose volume is less, the upthrust force applicable on that object will be less. So here cotton density is lesser than the iron density, and because of in between cotton the air is trapped, and here the cotton density is much lesser than the iron density, which is metal. So because of that, cotton's volume is more compared to iron's volume. So because of this, as a result, buoyant force or upthrust force acts upon cotton will be more compared to iron. Here the volume is the main factor because cotton is larger, so upthrust force applicable on the cotton will be higher, and it is pushes the cotton upward. So weighing machine will show less mass of cotton than actually it is. So the upward force applicable on the cotton will be more compared to iron. So whatever mass we are checking, that it is 100 kg, so that will be less compared to whatever actually it is. So hope this video has solved your doubt. In coming videos we are going to cover some important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.